come with me to buy a refrigerator. Yes, girl, I'm going to make a series on home makeover and this is episode 1. Kaya tara, samahan niyo ako. And mind you guys, I am unemployed. Yes, I resigned sa work ko last November 2025 nung nag-work ako sa BGC and I went back here sa Laguna para makasama yung family ko pero nakabukod pa rin ako. Pero 5 minutes away lang ako. Nagigets nyo ba yung pinupoint ko here? I am such a family-oriented. Like, super, super gusto ko, kasama ko sa success yung family ko. Kaya nilapitan ko lang din yung bahay ko. And at the same time, gusto ko kapag alam niyo yun, na-enjoy ko yung buhay. Gusto ko kasama ko sila na nag enjoy. Well, at this point in my life, bumukod ako kasi gusto ko makapag-focus pa rin sa dreams ko, sa pagko-content ko. And ito kasi talaga yung gusto kong i-pursue, yung content creation. Since 12 years old kasi, nag-vlog na ako. Tapos ngayon naman na I'm able to do it full-time, so ginrab ko na yung opportunity. Nilakasan ko yung loob ko para talagang mag-living alone na tapos i-pursue yung dream ko, which is mag full-time content creation. And yung lakas ng loob ko lang talaga na bumukod, bumili ng mga appliances, and i-build yung sarili ko from scratch is the motivation na kaya ko at yung motivation na I have valuable stories to share here online. And ever since naman na nag-resign ako, I have backups naman. Tuloy-tuloy naman yung pagpasok ng mga brand deals and ng mga paid collaborations and also yung mga kita rin dito sa TikTok shop. So, super nasusustain ko naman yung life ko so far. So, thank you guys and thank you Lord of course. Grabe mag-11,000 na tayo. Sobrang saya ko and sobrang nagpapasalamat ako sa bawat isa sa inyo. So, yun lang. Kung may mga comments and mga tanong pa kayo, please comment down and I'll try to answer that. And if you're looking for an inspiration or motivation na i-push na yung pagko-content mo, girl, ituloy mo na yan. And for the sake of that dream of yours na talagang gusto mong ma-achieve, girl, i-pursue mo na yan, i-post mo na yung content na yan, and be cringe in front of the people, in front of the camera, and I promise you, it will be the best decision you'll ever make for yourself. Do it for yourself, girl. Love you.